you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.
We started working with Jim Mextroth of Barrett Paving Materials probably 15 years ago. We would speak with him just about every year at the Ohio Aggregate Show, and we've discussed how he needed a dredge for this operation. And over the years, the discussions got more serious, and then about 2 to 3 years ago, they got corporate involved and started the budgeting process to get a dredge for this location. So today we're on board one of our latest commissioned dredges. It's a 16 cubic yard Supreme Manufacturing dredge. Currently they're digging about 35 feet, just getting started in this pond. The deposit runs 75 to 85 feet some places. Okay, we'll start at the top of the machine. It's a 50-ton hoist manufactured by a Virginia crane, and it's powered by a 750 horse electric motor. And then going down, the cables are connected to a 16 cubic yard bucket that's manufactured by Supreme Manufacturing. It dumps into a hopper. The material is metered out onto a Conweld 8x24 screen. The sand gets pumped into a McClanahan cyclone, and it disperses onto a McClanahan fine sand recovery screen. All the material then is just dewatered and goes out onto the floating conveyors, which are manufactured by Supreme. The dredge, as currently configured, has 400 feet of floating conveyor. We're proud that we're American designed, American made, and our one machine, one operator can replace other mining methods, either a dragline, excavator, or loader, where they might throw it out onto the ground, let it dewater, then load it onto haul trucks, haul it to a portable crusher, crush it, and then haul it to their plant. Where with one machine, one operator, we could dig up to 200 feet deep, primary crush, convey to shore, and go clear to their processing plant.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.